This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Sri Lankan-style chicken gizzards. First, ensure your gizzards are meticulously cleaned, removing any unwanted parts. Then, marinate them with a pinch of turmeric and salt to infuse initial flavor. While they marinate, prepare your aromatic spices, including a good quality Sri Lankan curry powder, chili powder, and freshly ground black pepper. This initial preparation is key for a flavorful dish. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté 1 finely chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until they turn a lovely golden brown. Next, add your marinated gizzards to the pan and cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing them to brown slightly. This step helps seal in the juices. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of Sri Lankan curry powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, ensuring everything is well coated. To achieve that perfect tenderness, pour in 250 milliliters of rich coconut milk and 100 milliliters of water. This liquid will create a wonderful sauce. Don't forget to add 1 sprig of fresh curry leaves and a small piece of cinnamon stick for authentic Sri Lankan aroma. Cover the pan and let it simmer gently on low heat for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until the gizzards are incredibly tender and the sauce has thickened beautifully. For the grand finale, stir in 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro just before serving. It adds a burst of freshness. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed to suit your preference. Serve your delicious Sri Lankan chicken gizzards hot with rice or roti for a truly authentic meal. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.